Right now, the Bitcoin price is following this pattern right here. Support resistance. It broke out here, did a fake out here, double fake out, and now it's heading right now towards a new trading opportunity right here for a potential price target of around $27,000 for the Bitcoin price right here. So you can see here, guys, that the Bitcoin price was following this pattern right here, which is a descending broadening wedge right here in the 4-hour time frame. It broke out, met the target right here, top of the pattern right here, and they pulled back right here. So I'm gonna show you very quickly here, just a second here, guys. So as you can see here, guys, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, fake out to the downside, huge fake out to the upside, came back, retested this support line, consolidated until it reached this resistance, broke out this resistance, confirmed as support, and then head higher here, and eventually met the target top of the wedge right here. Even went a little bit higher, which is normal sometimes, so it's okay. Met the target right there, so that was a good trading opportunity right there. That was around, let's see here, from here to here, just a second here, it was around a 14% move. Very beautiful right there. So I'm gonna delete that for just a second here, so I can have more let's see, more targets right here. Just a second here, guys. So and you can see here that this price target was this Bitcoin movement was forming this support, resistance, support. It broke out right here, and then retested this as support, lost support, this, and then when then tried to hold this other support right here, broke out, then tried to regain it a bunch of times in between support and resistance, and eventually managed to, after this this, oh my gosh, a lot of fake outs right there, and then finally broke out of there and went higher right here, as you can see right there. So this support line can be changed because of those fake outs right there, and this will be the new support. Let's see here, to see the confluence, this will be the support because of here, this support here, support, it lost support, regain support, lost it again, regain it again, confirm this as support again, and then went higher. Wow. And now, and also this was serving as resistance at the same time, while the Bitcoin price was regaining the support at the same time. There was this resistance. So that's this a lot of fake outs right there. So and at this moment right here, so the Bitcoin price regained this support. This resistance will now be eliminated, and now this new pattern was formed right here. I'm gonna show you guys from here to here. Let's see here, there. This is another pattern. There are two patterns right here, guys. I'm gonna show you very quickly here. So the first one will be here. I'm gonna show you guys from this. Let's see here. This was a rejection. Okay, so this is a 4-hour time frame, but using the 4-hour time frame, this one right here, we can see that this is this can be considered as a bearish pennant right here, because right here, guys, this came down from a very dramatic downtrend and formed this pattern right here. So this is still like a bear flag and pennant right here at the moment. Here you can see you got the resistance there, and you got another resistance there, and here very recently today tried to break out of there, tried to hold this as support, and at this moment the Bitcoin price is going lower, making a fake out to the upside using this pattern right here. Now the second one will be very clearly shown in the daily time frame. I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see right here, guys, you can see that using this daily time frame, this makes this neckline more like more clear, gonna show you guys very quickly. It will be around like here will be the neckline around here. This neckline, and this has a potential price target. I'm gonna show you guys very quickly. Just a second. I'm gonna mark this because this is from my bigger pattern right here, and so this double pattern I showed you guys around 2 weeks ago was not completed because you can see here that the Bitcoin price formed this double bottom scenario, but it tried to break out but made a fake out to the downside. So that's why that double bottom pattern was invalidated. So at this moment we have two patterns at this moment. So I'm gonna delete this pink line because I want to draw it with a white line over here. Just a second here. Let's see here. Okay, here, there. This can be another pattern. Like right now, this resistance will be right up there. Just a second here. Come on. Here and here. There. And this will be the clear resistance using this horizontal neckline here. You can see right there, it's very clear, and even the Bitcoin price movement is showing that clear resistance. You can see here, you see this body candle close, you see this wick, it wicked all the way up here and then came down here back at this trend support line. So this is also like another W pattern. You can see this, boom. This can also be another pattern. So the reason why I say two patterns is because you can see here, using this one, you have the resistance here, you got another resistance here, and you got a clear rejection there. So that's a clear resistance right there. And at the same time, you have this other pattern right here, which showed the resistance here, a lot of resistance here, various rejections right there, and another rejection right there. And the daily body candle close right now is below this line. Still, we have 4 hours left, so this can be it's right now at this moment it's getting heavily rejected, which is not a good sign, because usually you want to see this not get that harshly rejected at the moment. That's a huge wick. Still, this is the daily time frame. This wick can do that and then come back again, but at this moment it's not looking that good, because, and also the volume right here is not that big at the moment. It's not like enough for the Bitcoin price to clearly show that this is strong enough to keep going upwards like this. So at this moment there's like 3 patterns right there, which 2 of those can be kind of the same thing. I'm gonna show you guys very quickly here. So I see 3 patterns at the moment. So let's see here. So we got this like bearish pennant. The first one, resistance, support, and support here, resistance, support here, resistance, and this can potentially go, if the Bitcoin price doesn't manage to break out of this resistance, then the support level will be around this $20,318 level right here, around this range. And so if that doesn't hold, then expect for this immediate support around this $19,694 level. Why this line? Because this was the previous all-time high. I'm gonna show you previous all-time high for the Bitcoin price during the other cycles. Huge confluence there, and here previous all-time high support. So that's why that line is very important right there. So at this moment, wow, it's getting rejected very heavily right there. It's okay. It's 4 hours left. Anything can happen in that case, but until this resistance, at least at this moment, until, I would say, to be safe with this, if you're looking to trade this, a very good sign would be 2 daily body candle closes above this $22,150 area first, to start seeing more continuation to the upside. Because it's just because the Bitcoin price goes to that target doesn't mean it's ready to go. Just because it breaks that line, just because the Bitcoin price breaks that resistance, it doesn't mean that it's ready to go. Like, this can happen. These are heavily rejections. And looking at the volume, there's not much volume in order to confirm this at the moment at this moment. So you have the bearish pennant right there. I'm gonna change this price target because this is a clear bearish pennant right there, and this has a potential price target of around, I'm gonna show you guys from here to here. This will be measured like this. Wow, like this has a bearish price target of around $12,308 for the Bitcoin price right there. That's a massive down that's a massive low target right there at this time frame, at this moment. So that will be the bearish price target. And the bullish price target, if this resistance gets broken in a very bullish way, with first seeing more volume here, and second at least having 2 daily body candle closes above this resistance, because it's just when you have the Feds not printing more money, not as easily as before, usually you see this type of usually you see this type of movements, which is harder for most assets to pump like it did before, because in order for assets to keep going up, you need more new money coming in from the Federal Reserve. And when you have no new money coming from the Federal Reserve, you have more fake outs to the upside. Like you will see most of the times, bullish breakouts ending up in fake outs. And until the Fed doesn't start printing more money, I will most likely a lot of bullish fake outs will just keep continuing. So at this moment we have another pattern, the second one. Okay, bearish pennant. This will be the price target if it breaks to the downside. I'm gonna show you very quickly summary of this. So it will be because of this massive downtrend and supports, resistance, supports, resistance at this moment. If it breaks supports and starts confirming and also loses this 19,000 and also loses this $19,705 level as support, and also a lot of red volume starts increasing, then this confirms this bearish pennant, and the price target is all the way down around this $12,316 level, which is not weird because I already said before I'm expecting this price targets around September to December because of Shemitah cycles, like I mentioned before. You can go into my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, and search for the video where I go in detail on why, and those are very specific, strong points and evidence for this bearish market crash that's going to occur very soon now. Specifically, around September to December, that's the very strong range. And the video is named why the stock market is going to crash, and I go into detail, and also in my previous videos before I already mentioned this before, so that's why it adds more confluence to this right now looking at these patterns. Because remember guys, no movement can be done without the patterns. That's how it usually goes. I already proven that before. It's clear, it's obvious now. So you can watch my previous videos where I go in detail about that. So my second pattern would be this one, this W pattern right here. Breaking the neckline right here would be a bullish sign also right here, and then confirmation of that neckline, which is around that $21,810 level. At least to be safe with this, I would prefer personally to watch for at least 2 daily body candle closes above this resistance around this $22,150 level, and then confirmation, and then start going to the upside if also this volume increases. And this, let's see here, the third pattern I'm gonna see here, it's the same thing. So it will be 2 patterns at this point. It will be the same thing. So yes, so the bullish price target for this bullish pennant would be like this. And let's see here, just a second here guys. Okay, so let's see here, guys. So we can see that the Bitcoin price here has a bullish price target when it breaks its resistance, as I already mentioned before. Let's see here, around this $28,618 level right there. This will be the bullish breakout using the bearish pennants right here, like this. Just a second, I want to make it exact right there. And this will be the price target right there, around this $28,500 level, that has a percentage move of around, let's see here, from here to here, 29%. Wow, very beautiful trading opportunity right there. And if you look at the neckline, it will be almost at the same targets right there. It will be right here around this $27,000 level if you're looking to trade this W pattern. Let's see here, I'm gonna measure it again just in case, but it's supposed to be the same target as before, that about that previous double bottom scenario. So it will be like this, and okay, so this will be the price target using the W pattern right here, which is here. Price target will be around that $25,000 level, around that $25,620 level. That will be the price target. I'm gonna delete this line over here because that was the previous double bottom scenario, which was a fake out. It was invalidated. So this will be the new one right here. So you have these both targets, and this one has a percentage gain trading opportunity of around 70%, which is a very good trading percentage opportunity. Just a second, and here that will be the price target. Very beautiful. So, and yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now at the moment, looking at the Bitcoin price here. So yeah, guys, and thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube videos, and also other altcoins YouTube videos. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets. And thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.